Hello po, Ms. Nina. Welcome to our blue carpet here. What are your thoughts? This is your comeback to this kind of project. What are your thoughts, Mo? What can you take us through? What can the fans expect from this show?
This show has a lot of action. There's romance, of course, a lot of love scenes, a lot of drama scenes, and I love action.
I love it. So basically, so much for everyone to look forward to.
It has all the ingredients for a perfect TV series.
There you go. And one short message to your fans over here?
Yes, I'd like to invite my fans to come and see. Well, you have to download Prime Video so you can watch this TV series. It's a limited special series from Prime Video, and it's going to show every Friday starting May 8th. And every Friday there's going to be 2 episodes that you can watch. So it's not like I've always been active, but probably for a long time, not for a long time, maybe this is the first time I'm working with Prime Video. And I'm really excited. So thank you, Prime.
Very excited for this one.